Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and today we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to use Amiibo on Ryujinx. Using Amiibo on Ryujinx is simple once everything is set up correctly. So first is you want to listen to me, so here is the guide. You want to make sure that you have the required Amiibo.bin files as Ryujinx does not physical or does not read physical Amiibo directly. Then you want to go to your Ryujinx and then open and go to options, go to settings, then input, and then ensure your controller is properly configured. So when launching a compatible game, wait until you reach the in-game prompt that asks you to scan an amiibo. At that point, so right-click the game window or use the menu to select Load Amiibo, then browse and select the appropriate .bin file. Ryujinx will stimulate the scan instantly, like unlocking the Amiibo content just like on real hardware. So for the best results, always use clean dumps and keep Ryujinx updated to avoid compatibility issues.